On problem number 10, we are adding two fractions. Now remember that whenever we are adding two fractions, we need to have the same denominator. But before we actually try to make them the same denominator, we want to be able to factor the denominators if possible. Now, I notice that this is the difference of two squares. 16 is a square and 25 is a square. So I can factor that out using double parentheses. Factors of 16x squared will give me 4x and 4x. Factors of negative 25 will be negative 5 and positive 5. We still have a 2 plus 9 over 4x plus 5. Nothing to factor out the 4x plus 5. Now, I want to make the denominators the same. I notice that both of them have a x plus 5, but this one has a 4x minus 5 as well. So I'm going to multiply this by 4x minus 5. And what I do on the denominator, I need to do on the numerator as well to make it equivalent. So the first fraction, we have a 2 over 4x minus 5, 4x plus 5, plus, I'm going to multiply this first, so it gives me 36x minus 45 over 4x plus 5, 4x minus 5. And now that they have the same denominator, I can go ahead and add them by adding the numerator first. So we have a 36x minus 43 over 4x minus 3, 4x plus 3. Now ideally you want to be able to see if you can factor anything out, but you can't. So your answer is letter no. That's not positive, it should be a negative, so it'll be letter D.